Hi, I'm Philippe Petitpont. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Moments Lab. At Moments Lab, we are on a journey to make video storytelling ubiquitous. The problem today in video storytelling is that editors are spending too much time looking for content. On average, they're spending 5 minutes to find just one shot. So think about when you have like 100 shots, a 3-minute video, this is super long. We've developed an AI, a multimodal AI called MXT-1, that is able to understand content better than human, that is going to be able to be faster than human, and that is super scalable.
What's file head?
The multimodal AI is able to understand content using lots of different modalities and being able to understand audio, text, computer vision, and merging all these 20 different models together to provide description in natural language. So we're able to segment the content, we're able to understand what matters for a video, so that the creator is able to find instantly the most engaging moment to tell his story. So some of the new features we're announcing at IBC this year, we're announcing a brand new Adobe Premiere so that it's possible for creators directly to have the experience of searching content and searching moments directly in their favorite editing tool. So it makes it possible to go directly from their bin to the timeline super quickly and spend more time on creative tasks rather than boring post-production logging tasks, which is something that people don't like to do, right? Another thing we are also bringing here is the full scale of MXT 1.5. It's the best AI on long form, so there's been an external benchmark that is positioning MXT 1.5 as a top AI to be able to understand long form content. So we're super proud about that. Want to congrats our research and development team because it's a huge improvement, and that makes video storytelling even better and even faster for our final users. If you want to know more, please go on momentslab.com and you'll find everything about benchmark on our new release.